By the mercy of Sri Vrindavan, Shripad, which is what they call Prabhupada Saraswati, he sees a transcendental picture before his inner eyes, Spurti, of Sri Sri Leela Kishore Yugal. That's a very nice name. We usually say Radha and Krishna. Or the Nimbarki say Priya Priyatam. Sri Sri Leela Kishore Yugal. Yugal means pair. Kishore means teenagers. 14 and 15. Very playful, very mixture of innocence and naughtiness. At 14 and 15, Radha and Krishna is a perfect combination of innocence and naughtiness, playfulness and sobriety. It's a beautiful mixture. It's a fantastic time. 14 years, 2 months, 15 half days. It's Radharani's age. And Krishna is 15 years, 9 months, 7 days. 15 years, 9 months, 7 days. And Siddha Krishna is told that in Sadhana Amrita Chandrika. There's one book about it's in Bengali. Sadhana Amrita Chandrika. He's telling these details. How he knows, no one knows, but he's telling.